Hello everyone, I'm TJ, welcome back to part 16. Now this shouldn't be too long. I'm just going to add the last bit of code in here, as the other tutorial was getting quite long. So here I want to do a void, and I'm just going to do add achieve. So add achieve, void add achieve, and I'm going to give it an int ID, so I can use that. So now what I want to do is I want to do another for loop, so for, and we're going to do this again, int I equals 0, I is less than achievements dot count I plus plus. So every time the achievement I is equal to 0, if I is less than achievements dot count, so we have 4 achievements, this code here is going to be cycled 4 times. So I want to do a result. Why are you not giving me a result? No, I don't need a result, sorry. If if achievements I dot achievements name is equals to null, we're going to create a for loop for, I'm going to say int j is equal to 0, j is less than a database dot count dot achieve dot count j plus plus z. I went wrong on there. There we go. J plus plus. And then we're doing if a database dot achieve j dot achievement ID equals ID. Then achievements I equals a database dot achieve j. And then down here I'll do a break down here. Right, now a little bit of explanation of what I just did. It's saying if I is less than achievements dot count, so if we have more achievements than we do on the index, it's going to keep adding the index. If it keeps adding the index, it's going to go here. Now if it has achievements I and achievement name equals null, then it's going to go int j equals 0 if j is less than database dot achieve dot count. It executes here. Now it says if database dot achieve dot j dot achievement ID equals ID, achievements I equals database achieve j. So basically what it's doing is the database achievement is going to be added onto the achievement slot, so it displays according to the ID. I hope that makes sense. I really do. Now the next one I'm going to do is a bool achievement contains. So bool this is just a check. This is literally just a check to make sure that any slots already have an achievement in them, and if they do, it goes on to the next, and then next, and next, and next, and next. So it doesn't overlap them all onto one, it just spreads them down. So I do need to add a result in here, so I'm just going to say bool result equals false. I know. Now what I want to do is I want to do another if statement. So this will be, no sorry, not another if statement, I'm doing a for statement, for. So what I'm going to do is int I equals 0, and now I is less than a database, sorry, achievements.count, sorry, achievements.count I plus plus. Just checking to see if I is going to be less than achievement database. So in this for loop, what we need to do is result equals achievements I dot achievement ID equals ID. If result equals true, break. So if it finds if the result already, because if the result's true, it already has something in the slot, it's going to break straight away. It doesn't need to continue. It's just going to go to the next. If it doesn't, it's going to actually add one. Now at the bottom here, return result. Return result. So it checks for achievements. If it doesn't have achievements, it adds an empty slot. We can actually probably test this out now. If I go into my thing here, if I don't have any errors, because it's seriously messing me up if I had an error right now. If I click achievements, I've got lots of empty slots. See, I've got loads of slots here, all empty. There's nothing in here at all. I've got no errors, and it's not lagging, and that's good, because if you get this wrong, it can lag and it can do massive errors. Now if I go up here, add achieve, I believe I can literally just go like this. I believe 2 is unlocked. Now I'm going to say underscore achievement unlocks plus plus, because if I have this achievement, my achievement unlocks wants to go up by 1. Else add achieve 0, not 0, 1, because that's a locked version of it. Now I should have a locked hidden achievement right now. Not a locked hidden achievement, a locked achievement, which is the one we want, not load game. There we go. Coin Collector. Welcome to Coin Collector. Thank you for playing Coin Collector. And you can see it's up here, it says locked. And we've got a hidden achievement. The colour of the text though is absolutely terrible. I need to change that. Where did I have that? Achievement status, achievement name. Where's that lovely blue I had? It's 3399FF. 3399FF. Save that off. Go back in. Because I hate that horrible green for everything. There we go. Welcome to Coin Collector. Thank you for playing Coin Collector. See here. I'm not entirely sure I want this description. Because I've not unlocked the achievement, I shouldn't have the description. So if I go into achievement database, and on the locked ones, I'm just going to have it blank. Actually, instead of having it blank, Yeah, I'll have it blank for now. So every locked achievement. Actually, no, I need some of these in here. So all the, yeah. Create a character. It's a nice description. Some of these descriptions are terrible. Create a character. So if I edit this here, it automatically should automatically change my achievements. Achievements? Yeah, create a character. Now, since I've got that locked still, I'm going to go through and add all my achievements in here. Where are you? There we go, yeah. So, Bank's achievement, if it has it, see, add achieve. If it has it, I believe this will be 4. And then underscore achievement unlocks plus plus. And then else, add achieve 3. And you can just keep adding them in. See, death achievement, I'm just going to copy this. See, I believe that was 6, and this was 8. And this here was 5 here, and 7 here. And then if I go down here, I can say I'd achieve 0. So if you've got hidden achievements, I'm just going to use hidden achievements just so everything here is good. So if I go, this isn't saved here, so for demonstration purposes, achievements, see, create a character, these are all locked still. That colour for the red though is terrible, but it's still. You got our 4 achievements in here, and you got nothing here. See, I know I've got another 16 slots here with nothing in it. So rather than just having them blank, I'm going to have to create 16. So that's 1. I'll copy this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That should be 16. If it's not 16, it gives me an error because I've gone out of range. See, look, hidden achievement. This is a hidden achievement, and they're all locked. That way I've still got some text in here. So notice here I've got no achievements. None at all. Unlocked. So let's start unlocking some to make sure they work. Now, for now, I'm just going to do the die one and the coin collector one. So if I go into this is HasKey welcome achievement. So if I go into new game, where are you? New game, there we go. At the moment here, it just creates you character, just sets the string. So what I'm going to do is here, I can say player prefs dot set string welcome achievement, and I'm just going to say here unlocked. So I believe that's correct for the achievement, welcome achievement. Yep. Now I've got Banks, Death, and Almighty. So at the moment, when I create the character, I'm setting this so this is unlocked. Now when I die, now if I find player death somewhere, which won't be in here, player HUD, I believe that's in here. Yeah, player dies. Now I want to say player prefs actually, if player prefs dot has key, what did I call it? A die achievement? Die? Death. Copy. Death achievement. I don't want it to do anything. Else, if it doesn't have it, I want to do the player prefs dot set string death achievement, and I'm going to do it unlocked. So if we've already died, and we already have the achievement, it's going to do nothing. So if we don't have the achievement, it's going to do something. So if I go back to main menu, scroll all the way down to our new game window display, I'm just going to do the same here. If player prefs dot has key else, I actually want to give it to the player. So if it has the welcome achievement, it does nothing, but if it doesn't, it actually does something. Now if I go into Unity again, I click play. Achievements, I don't have any. If I click back, if I click new game, create myself a character, junkie, create character, did nothing, and it did nothing. Why did you do nothing? I don't think this updates on runtime, you know. Got to go off runtime. Yeah, I've already got it. There we go. Doesn't update at runtime, which could be a bit of a problem. Now what I'll do is I'll files, save scene, files, save project, and then let's go to our test level where we have all the HUD and everything. I'm gonna run kill ourselves, so this should hopefully work. And if I go to main menu, and if I click achievements, I do have it. Whoops. I think I just did on the wrong achievement. Almighty then, collect your first power up, I just did that wrong. I did. Death is 6. 6 is almighty then. Death is 7 and 8. Whoops. Death, and that's almighty. Just change that around a bit. Okay, so I'll run this again. It should already have the achievements, just swap them around because I just did a mess up. Whoops, I don't want to do that. I want to go back to main menu. If I click play, if I click achievements, it says I have 2 out of 20, 6 foot fall. I have got the achievement. I've died. They are unlocked. I didn't get that because I didn't collect the power up, and I haven't got 100 coins, so I didn't get that. It says 2 out of 20. Now if I go to load game, it doesn't say how many achievements I've got. So what I do is on the start, what I'm going to do is if player prefs dot has key achievement count, then underscore achievement unlocks equals player prefs dot get int achievement count. Else underscore achievement unlocks equals nothing. That way, if we have an achievement account, the achievements will unlock, get the in, and then the achievement unlocks will equal the in. So what I'm going to do is, if it has achievements, actually we don't actually have to do this because it's getting achievements and adding this already by how many achievements we have, so we don't actually need to do that because we don't actually need to save how many achievements we have, we just have the achievements. However, we can, if we go down into our load game achievements, if we just go here, underscore achievement unlocks, save that off, and then we say plus this, space this, plus, and then we say underscore y slots. Same way we use to display on the achievements window, we're going to display on the load game window. And then if I go load game, I have 2 out of 20 achievements. See? And it's already saved this because this already saves, and this count here gets how many have actually been saved, loaded. So yeah, there we go. I'm a D-Junkie, that has been the last achievements tutorial, and I shall see you next time. Goodbye.